Ahoy sailors, and welcome back to Sailors 365.
Princess Cruises, in an unprecedented collaboration with the leading global Pilates brand, Club Pilates, is set to raise the bar and your heart rate with the first of its kind Club Pilates at Sea, an Alaskan retreat. If you're passionate about staying fit or simply looking for a fun way to get in shape, this one-of-a-kind wellness retreat is just for you. Picture yourself surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of Alaska, exploring stunning destinations like Juneau, Skagway, Ketchikan, and scenic Glacier National Park, with a delightful stopover in charming Victoria, BC. But wait, there's more. On top of these incredible locations, you'll have access to a wide range of Pilates and other exponential fitness classes led by top-notch instructors. They'll guide you, motivate you, and help you make the most of your wellness journey on land and at sea. Now, let's talk about the main event, the Club Pilates experience. As the largest Pilates brand in the world, Club Pilates has taken their exceptional workouts to the high seas. Imagine participating in a Pilates class while surrounded by majestic glaciers, towering mountains, and the untamed beauty of Alaska. It's an extraordinary opportunity to challenge your body and mind in the most awe-inspiring setting imaginable. And that's not all. As the northern lights grace the skies during peak season, you'll have the chance to enjoy a Moonlit glow flow class, an experience you'll treasure forever. Plus, indulge in some well-deserved relaxation with an R&R restorative class, ensuring your body finds ultimate bliss during this unforgettable retreat. But let's not forget about the incredible excursions on land. Alaska is renowned for its rugged beauty and adrenaline-pumping adventures. Take your pick from hiking through stunning landscapes, paddling through pristine waters in a canoe, soaring through the treetops on a thrilling zipline, or opt for leisurely pursuits like whale watching, savoring a delightful salmon bait, or strolling through historic gold rush towns. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Now let's combine these exhilarating onshore adventures with the exclusive Club Pilates fitness experiences and the remarkable amenities aboard the Royal Princess. Indulge in the ship's exceptional culinary delights, immerse yourself in captivating entertainment options, and take part in an array of activities. And who knows, there may even be a few surprises in store for you. With Princess Cruises' unparalleled personalized service, you'll feel like royalty throughout your journey. It truly is the best of both worlds, an adventure-packed retreat with the perfect blend of fitness, relaxation, and luxury. Head over to the Princess Cruises Concierge Team's website to secure your reservation. Pre-register as a Club Pilates fan and get ready for a fitness adventure like no other. You can find the link in the description of this video. So, are you ready to rest, relax, and get back on the wellness track? Drop us a comment below, and let's start the countdown to this epic adventure together. Until next time, get set, Pilates!
That's all for now, sailors. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you next time, sailing on the high seas.